In this episode, we're going to step outside the black box and dibble dabble in these lentils. Is lentils black? I don't know. I don't think it is. My mama Mississippi, daddy Arkansas. I grew up in Kentucky, and I ain't touched a lentil a day in my life. I don't even know what to do with a lentil. But today, I'm thinking like a chili bean and rice situation. But instead of red kidney beans, we're going to substitute with these lentils. And instead of rice, I'm thinking like a macaroni. So we can have like a chili mac. Separate your lentils, the good from the bad. Get your water boiling, and we're going to season with this, and this. Now add the lentils to the water. I'm going to see what this mixture tastes like, and if it tastes worth something, I'm going to leave it. If I need some salt, I'm going to add it later, and then I might dibble dabble with this. I don't know yet. We'll see. All right, it's been about 30 minutes. We got these lentils still on. They are just a little bit tender, but not as tender as I would like them to be, so I'm going to let them ride out for about another hour. I did end up adding the chili packet, about half of it. This is what it looked like. It's not boiling like that because I turned the boiling down, and then I added a little more water because I about cooked the water out. Once that gets to where I want it to be, then I'm going to make the macaroni, and we'll go from there. So the beans are done. I tasted them. They are delicious. Really, really good. Turned out well. And so now we're going to work on the macaroni. We're going to use this macaroni, water, milk, and butter. I want to flavor up these noodles. Instead of adding salt and pepper, I'm just going to do this. Real quick, let's digress. In real time, we're about to figure out how to turn nothing into cornbread. We're going to play in this food, see if we can come up with something right, something tasty. Hold on. I'm going to try to make some sort of sweet bread component. Using this, some brown sugar, some milk, and some butter. And I'm going to attempt to fry them up like pancakes. Let's see. So I tasted this. It actually tastes like some Frosted Flakes. I ain't lying. Anywho, let's continue. So this is what we come up with. I don't know. I flipped them again. It looked better. I don't know. All right, so I did about 2 batches. That's the first batch. That's the second batch. All right, yay me. Over here looking like some fake meat. I'm gonna try one of the crumbles because I just pulled the patty ones out of the pan. It's not bad. If I was scrounging around the kitchen, trying to put 2 and 2 together, this is a good 2 and 2. It's a good 2 and 2. Let's get my son's opinion. He's always critiquing my food. DJ, I want your honest opinion.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? That's actually pretty high. All right, so they turned out in patty shape. I was a little worried at first. And they were good enough for me to make more, So 2 out of 3 kids liked it. I don't know, the more I keep munching on it, the more I like it. It do taste like a French toast. If I didn't have no sweet bread to go with a meal that required a sweet bread, and I had these ingredients, I'd make it again. But anywho, I digress. Now back to your regular scheduled program.